In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet in Smartsheet. Copying a sheet is really useful when you already have a great layout or template set up and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you have a project plan, a tracker, or a form layout that works well, and you just need a fresh version for a new team or a new time frame. That's exactly what we'll walk through now. First, make sure you have the sheet you want to copy open in Smartsheet. Once you're on that sheet, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen and look for the menu labeled File on the toolbar. Click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to saving, exporting, and managing your sheet. From this File menu, find and click on the option that says Save as New. This is the command that tells Smartsheet you want to create a new sheet based on the one you're currently viewing, rather than just updating the existing one. When you click Save as New, a window or dialog box will appear, giving you options for how and where to save this new copy. In that dialog, you'll typically see a field for the new sheet name and an option to choose the location where it will be stored. To pick exactly where your copied sheet should live, click on the Browse button. This will open up your folder structure or workspace list inside Smartsheet. Now, select the destination where you'd like this new sheet to be saved. You might choose a specific workspace shared with your team or a personal folder if you're just testing things out. Take a second to confirm that you're placing it in the right spot so you can easily find it later. You can also adjust the sheet name here to something clear and descriptive, like adding the date, project name, or team name so it stands out from the original. Once you've chosen the destination and you're happy with the name and location, click on OK to confirm your selection. This closes the browsing window and takes you back to the main Save as New dialog with your choices applied. Finally, click on Save. Smartsheet will now create a new sheet based on the one you started with in the location you selected. After a moment, you'll see your new sheet appear, ready for you to customize, share, or start